Welcome back. Time now 7:11 on this Sunday. So this morning, a look at the uninsured and an upcoming event to help get people screened for their health. So first, according to the CDC, more than 30% of Mexican Americans between the ages of 18 to 64 don't have health insurance. That same group also has the highest prevalence of undiagnosed diabetes. There is an upcoming event hoping to get people screened, and joining us this morning to talk about it is Jean Rodriguez, who is one of the San Fernando Health and Safety Fair coordinators. Good morning to you, Mr. Rodriguez.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much for being with us. So this is the 29th year for this fair. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, 29 years ago, actually a couple more than that, Father Virgil Elizondo, who was rector of the cathedral, and several doctors, including Dr. Daniel Juarez, who has been the co-chair or chair all along, decided that there was a need for a health fair for folks who don't have insurance, especially. And that's whether they are documented or not, or they just live in San Antonio. The fair is open to everybody, and we've had it successfully now. We missed the pandemic years, but we've had it successfully. This will be the 29th. And we have anywhere from 500 to 1,000 people that come. It's all around the cathedral grounds and main plaza, and even in the building where the city council meets, the city council chambers, where we partner with the city. We have a tremendous number of screenings, unlike most fairs. We have everywhere from mammograms to colorectal screenings. These are screenings, they're not the actual treatment, but a lot of folks use this as their annual physical because they don't have insurance. In fact, it's my understanding that some 18% or over 300,000 folks in San Antonio don't have health insurance. So there's a tremendous need for this kind of screening, and it's for the whole family. You can bring the whole family, bring the children. There's going to be shots for children for vaccinations. Metro Health is going to have the COVID booster shots, and they'll be able to give out $100 gift certificates to HEB. University Health System will be providing all kinds of screenings also. So there's vaccines, any type of vaccine that's needed by the family, whether there's children or whether the adults or the grandparents. For example, bring the whole family. For example, if the grandmother has got some issues with skin problems, we have dermatology screenings. If the grandfather has a serious diabetes problem and doesn't have current support, they can come get screened, and we can refer them to the appropriate medical support, because we do follow up on, especially with those that have serious problems that are identified in the screenings. And several people, we've saved their lives because they didn't realize, for example, that they had cancer. After the dental exam, we found that they had cancer, and we were able to follow up. Or women that had some problems because they didn't realize they had it, and as a result of the mammogram, they were referred and got the appropriate treatment. Men that might have prostate issues, we have prostate exams. If you have problem with your feet, we have podiatry exams. So there's more than 16 different screenings that are available, and they're all done by professionals. These are medical doctors. We have over 200, maybe up to 300 healthcare volunteers that come to help. So we're equipped to help a lot of folks. It's from 8 o'clock until 1 o'clock on Saturday, October 1st. You can park around the cathedral, or even what used to be the old Frost building, the parking lot there in the tower there. People can park there, or of course they come by bus. And people always come. For example, in 2004, it was raining cats and dogs. We ran around and got ponchos and umbrellas for folks. They stood in line wearing their ponchos that we had given out in order to get their screenings, whether it's blood cholesterol, whether it's blood sugar, blood pressure. As I said, there's eye vision screenings. We're going to have an allergist there.
Yes,
so
sir.
There's just
Mr. Rodriguez, there is definitely a lot going on, and such an important event happening on October 1st. Of course, we'll have that information at kens5.com. Sir, we appreciate you being with us this morning.
Thank you.